I hope you are all doing well and enjoying winter. Like you know, I come up every week to share some fun activities and easy ones for our little humans. So I believe setting up a transportation theme is very easy as we have a variety of activities to do. Whether you set up a sensory play with cars or have fun with messy play, some transportation math activities or sorting. There are a variety of activities that you might come across. So let's zoom into this exciting, secretive flashlight activity and learn about modes of transportation. Let's go! Let's quickly have a look at the supplies. 4 A4 sheets, a pair of scissors, glue, and a flashlight. So we made 3 modes of transport, that's air, land and water. Make a square grid as shown and take printout of different modes of transport on another sheet and cut them out. Take the image of a vehicle, put glue on the picture and place it on the back of the grid. Pick up the sheet so that you can see the reflection of the grid. And then with flashlight, you will be able to see the mode of transport. Young children love playing with lights and shadows. Although many children may be frightened by the dark at night, having a flashlight seems to be all the protection they need. Kids love playing games with flashlights. And this is a fun activity. With a flashlight, your child can try out. And while they are having fun, they can enjoy and learn concepts like modes of transport. Just like this, you can also cover up concepts. You can also reinforce concepts like shapes, numbers, alphabets, etc. So children need to switch on the flashlight, see the mode of transport and place it in the correct order. What do you think this is? That's right, aeroplane. Yes, air again. Let's see what this is. That's a submarine. It's a water mode. I can guess this one. Can you? It's a yacht. Water mode again. Excellent. Do you want to try it again? This goes in the water. That's right, it's a boat. It has got wheels. It's a motorcycle. Oh, this vehicle has got wheels too. And we can find them on the farms. That's tractor. This looks like... Can you guess? Water vehicle. Oh, that was a difficult one, wasn't it? Oh, can I say? Oh, this one has wheels. This is easy peasy. Hot air balloon. With this fun activity, children learn all about how people and products get from place to place. Children also learn vocabulary like water, air, land, boats, cars, sailing, walking, safety belts, steering wheels, tractors, etc. Let's do this easy DIY activity and make learning fun.